Live from the Global Saskatoon studios, the evening news with Wendy Winiski.
Good evening. Thank you for joining us. If you had an eye on the sky last night a few hours after sunset, you likely saw a fireball light up the sky. It startled people in Saskatoon and throughout much of central and southern Saskatchewan, leaving many wondering what was going on. So with that, we're going to bring in meteorologist Peter Quinlan to help us unravel the mystery of what exactly so many people witnessed last night. Peter?
Wendy, this fireball's journey started 10 to 20,000 years ago when a comet broke up into tiny pieces that now orbit the sun. And every November around this time, our planet crosses that debris field, and some of those tiny pieces of rock enter into our atmosphere, traveling at speeds of up to 72,000 kilometers per hour. Most of them burn up right away, but the one we had on Sunday night did much more than that.
Some people have reported the windows shaking, and so maybe some sort of a sound event, perhaps a sonic boom, I'm not sure, but something might have, certainly a very loud bang was associated with this object, so that means it at least partially broke up at that particular time.
So at approximately 8 p.m. last night, my wife Nicole and I were going down to River Landing to take some video and some stills, and she looks up in the sky and sees this kind of fireball. It had this green glow coming off the back of it, and then it turned orange, and we basically had about 5 seconds to decide what to do. So I had my camera there and I literally pushed the shutter 3 times, and out of those 3 shots we got one.
It was also a lucky catch for another photographer in the southeastern corner of the province.
I had the camera set on the tripod and set it on the ground, pointed it at the Big Dipper, and hit the cable release, and like I said, 2 seconds later, boom.
A common reaction that people make when they see these bright fireballs, quite often people observe one of these and it's so incredibly bright that they are convinced that it landed in a field maybe a half a mile from where they were located, but in reality it could actually be several hundred miles away.
And because they are so difficult to locate, the University of Saskatchewan is asking for any photos or videos to be sent to them to help them track the exact path of the fireball, and it will also help search for any potential debris if that meteor did make it to the ground. Now, the torrid meteor shower does continue for a few more days, so you still have the chance to get to see some of those shooting stars. That is if we are able to manage to catch some more clear skies, which I'm going to have much more details on coming up later in the show. Wendy?
People should have their cameras ready.
That's for sure.
All right. Thanks, Peter.